Repeat after me. To all the souls of the Africans.
To all the souls of the Africans.
To all the souls of the freedom fighters who are here right now.
To all the souls of the freedom fighters who are here
Please
right
forgive
now.
us.
Please forgive us.
Please forgive our forefathers.
Please forgive our forefathers.
Knowingly and unknowingly.
Knowingly and unknowingly.
Hurt any one of you.
Hurt any one of you.
Hurt your family.
Hurt your family.
And hurt your race. Please forgive us.
Please forgive us.
We are all souls.
We are all souls.
The same origin.
The same origin.
We all have the same God.
We all have the same God.
Supreme God.
Supreme God.
Supreme light.
Supreme light.
Supreme intelligence.
Supreme intelligence.
We are all the same.
We are all the same.
Due to karma,
Due to karma,
born in different races,
born in different races,
different sexes,
different sexes,
different conditions of life.
different conditions of life.
We ask the divine,
We ask the divine,
as each and every one of you,
each and every one of you,
to go in peace,
to go in peace,
come back to this lovely country,
come back to this lovely country,
be one of them
and be one of them
who will
who will
rule this country,
rule this country,
rule this government,
rule this government,
and make this place
and make this place
a glorious place as what it was one day.
a glorious place as what it was one day.
Divine blessing be with each and every one of you.
Divine blessing be with each and every one of you.
Please go in peace.
Please go in peace.
Please go in peace.
Please go in peace.
Divine blessing be with each and every one of you.
Divine blessing be with each and every one of you.
All say God.
God,
Thank you.
thank you,
Thank you.
thank you,
Thank you.
thank you.
Think of your working place, your company, your department, even your business. Think of your business. All of you repeat after me. I am a being of divine fire.
I am a being of divine fire.
I am the purity God desires.
I am the purity God desires.
My soul,
My
the
soul,
soul of divine fire.
the soul of divine fire.
My soul,
My soul
is the purity God desires.
is the purity God desires.
All Africans in this country,
All Africans in this country
beings of divine fire.
are beings of divine fire.
All Africans in this country
All Africans in this country
are the purity God desires.
are purity God desires.
All Indians in this country,
All Indians in this country
beings of divine fire.
are beings of divine fire.
All Indians in this country,
All Indians in this country
are the purity God desires.
are purity God desires.
The government of South Africa,
The government of South
the
Africa,
government of divine fire,
the government of divine fire,
the government of South Africa,
the government of South Africa
is the purity God desires.
is the purity God desires.
South Africa,
South Africa,
country of divine fire.
country of divine fire.
South Africa
South Africa
is the purity God desires.
is the purity God desires.
God, thank you for this teaching.
Thank you for this teaching.
Thank you for this love,
Thank you for this love,
passion, and kindness.
and kindness.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
The mother nature of Africa
Mother nature of Africa
is the nature of divine fire.
is the nature of divine fire.
The mother nature of Africa
Mother nature of Africa
is the purity God desires.
is the purity God desires.
All the nature beings of all the animals in South Africa and Africa, all the nature beings of animals of South Africa and Africa are nature beings of divine fire. All the nature beings of all the animals in South Africa and Africa are the purity God desires. Let the blessings be with all the animals of Africa. Let there be peace and harmony and divine protection be with each and every one of them. Let divine fire be with them. All the nature beings of South Africa and Africa are the purity God desires. All the nature beings of South Africa and Africa are the purity God desires. All the mountain gods of Africa are beings of divine fire. All the gods of the mountains of Africa are the purity goddess. Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, oceans of divine fire. The Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean are the purity goddess. All the water in these both oceans, please come to Africa. Bring the rain. All the African countries as required. Please don't flood us. Take the water to each and every country that requires it more than us. Every country in Africa, countries of divine fire. Every country in Africa are the purity goddesses. African continent, continent of divine fire. African continent, the purity goddesses. And the divine fire, the whole of the continent of Africa, burn and blaze away all the misuse of money, all the misuse of power and corruption. Let the fire be there always. The fire keep on burning and blazing away and burning away all the negativity of the African continent. I am a being of divine fire. I am a purity goddess. Our moon is a cosmic body of divine fire. Our moon is the purity goddess. Mother Earth is a planet of divine fire. Mother Earth is a planet of divine fire. Mother Earth is a purity goddess. Our sun is a star of divine fire. Our sun is a purity goddess. We thank each and every droplet of water. Fill our bodies. Fill all the living and non-living things of all of Mother Earth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Every drop of water inside me and outside me, droplets of divine fire. Every droplet of water inside me and outside me are the purity God desires. God, thank you, thank you,